New documents from OpenAI and Anthropic reveal the vastly different business approaches of the two most valuable AI startups in the world. According to reports obtained by the Wall Street Journal, Sam Altman is pursuing an aggressive spending plan, while Dario Amodei is taking a far more cautious approach. Anthropic is on track to break even by 2028, while OpenAI projects $74 billion in operating losses that same year, about 3/4 of its revenue. Here we have an AI juggernaut that is massively successful, that has proven its commercial value, that is growing very quickly, and that seems to have a far more measured approach to spending. Yes, they're still spending a lot, but Anthropic spending doesn't come even close to OpenAI. They're two very, very different approaches. Now, up until this point, OpenAI has been the winner. $500 billion valuation, not only getting a lot of usage, but also telling a very exciting story. OpenAI is the undisputed heavyweight champion of AI. But, as we discussed on Monday, that narrative might be running out of steam. The spending is getting out of control. Sam Altman's having these public meltdowns on these podcasts, and investors are beginning to show some signs of anxiety. And it's all coming to fruition this week, where we saw a big spike in big tech bond yields. We're seeing the highest spread on these bonds since Liberation Day. Why? Because investors are getting increasingly concerned about all of the spending on AI. We're also seeing some wariness in the AI stocks. Nvidia fell as much as 9% this week. CoreWeave fell more than 20%. Put another way, the narrative on AI is beginning to waver. And $1 trillion AI spending plan, it just isn't quite what it used to be. And that may well mean pain for OpenAI, which has, of course, been leading this charge. But more importantly, it might mean new opportunities for other companies that are taking a different approach, companies that are reining in their spending, companies that are getting their costs under control. It might mean the beginning of the rise of a new heavyweight champion, a new AI winner. And when you look at these documents that the Wall Street Journal has just released, it does look like that winner could well be Anthropic.